Hello. So I have a hens coming up tomorrow, and it is, let me show you, 6:26 on Friday. I have to be at the place at 6 p.m. tomorrow, but I live a fair while away, so I'm gonna probably have until maybe like realistically 3 if I want to get ready. Now the catch is I have to wear something pink or green, and I don't know if that is like one item pink or one item green, but I want to go fully. So I have some options. Not sure if I'm feeling any of them. I will show you. I also have a plan B to panic make a dress. So let's see how we go. So these are some options. We've got, I think this is probably a no, but like I was just pulling some stuff out to have a look. It's a little green. Technically it's probably like lingerie or sleepwear. Yep, Kaiser, but we could make it work. We could do like a layering situation. I have the dress that I made for my sister's wedding, which I could possibly outfit repeat, but I'm not sure if it's like too much, but maybe. We have a green leopard like slip dress with a slit at the side. This is actually the dress that I panic bought for my sister's wedding because I wasn't liking the one that I was making. I got this off Depop secondhand, and then I tried it on and I wasn't too sure, so I don't know, maybe this will work. I have a pink linen situation which could be like cute with some boots or some funky jewelry. I'm feeling like this is boring, but again, like could potentially style it nicer. Just a velvet dress. This one's probably like too much. Little pink two-piece. You know when you're just like not feeling anything that you have in your wardrobe? Me right now. This one I made a while ago from a vintage pattern. It's technically pink. I do need to do some tweaks because the elastic was too long, so I've done that one. But I hand stitched this, so I didn't want to unstitch it and fix it, but that's like kind of cute. So yeah, maybe we just try them on. This might be a very quick video if that's the case, but I'm thinking I might panic make something. So let's see. So we have pink option numero uno, and yes, I am aware of the state of my sewing room, but it is fine. Not sure that I can't do it that way because you guys are gonna, it's gonna be like landscape. But I don't think this is the one because honestly I feel like it needs some tweaks. Like it's just a bit floppy. But the back is super cute. I mean, I'm a bit cold, but this is kind of cute. Mosquito bite scar, goddamn. This could be fun with the right accessories. Maybe I don't have to panic make something, but I also feel kind of like a child. Okay, well we've got a maybe. Honestly, I feel like this dress could probably just go. I just feel like I'm not confident in the body type. It shows off all your lumps and bumps. You can see my underline. Yeah, I think we can just maybe sell this one to someone else. It's so cold. I'm gonna put the heater on. Oh my god. I'm feeling like this one's probably a little too cash. Yeah, bit cash. Good but casual. Okay. I think this might be more appropriate for a wedding. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, this is actually really nice. I don't know why I didn't like it when I was trying it on. Also, what is going on with this? I think, yeah, I think we save this. I feel like this one doesn't like look like much. But she's very backless and there is a very high slit. I feel like I'm just gonna try and make something and then if all else fails. This is kind of cute. 2 more. Okay, the nightie is an immediate no. And this one's stunning, obviously, because I made it. But I'm feeling like, I don't know, it's dinner, drinks, probably a club. Like, I don't know, what do people wear to clubs these days? Probably not. Probably not this. I mean, it's fabulous. But I feel like I need something a little more, like, cheeky. I'm not sure. I do love this, though. Like, look at those sleeves. But I did buy some goodies. So I'm thinking maybe I can make this into a dress, like a little longer, or we tweak an existing pattern that I have, or make something like a shirt, tie at the front, and then a skirt like with ruching down the sides that you can tie. That might be a bit ambitious in less than 24 hours, so I'm thinking maybe that. Maybe this guy. But like longer? Is that fun? It's got some boobage. Let's see. So I've put out a few patterns I think that could work for the plan I'm going for. Essentially, this top is like what I want. Just a different skirt, and we'll put a tie there, so that's a maybe. Not sure about that one. Love the exaggerated collar on this one. The same here, I think, top portion. We've got a bit more shaping, so probably don't need that, but I love the sleeves and I love the exaggerated collar. And this one's got buttons, but I don't know if I can be bothered doing buttons. Or we have this one. So I might pull these two out and have a bit more of a look at them and see which one I think we can tweak better. But this could be fun, a little more open, and like a mini skirt. Trace this bad boy because who knows, maybe I want to do a different size one day. So we'll do that first. Battery's about to die, but this sleeve I feel like is just, I don't know, not quite there. So I'm thinking maybe I copy this sleeve, which is this pattern. But now comparing them, like they're very similar. So maybe I might just make it easier for myself and do this. I don't know. I think that'd be easier. I'm a bit more frazzled now, but it is 11:42. I did take a break, but we've got some spaghetti situation going on right now. It's getting there. It is now Saturday, and the time is 11:03. Oh, you can't see that. I went to bed at 1 last night, and we ended on basically the measurements on the back of the dress on the pattern told me I was a 14, and I was like, not sure about that, but okay, sure. So I cut a 14, and of course it's too big, so we have to take in the seams. What else do we got to do? I want to shorten the hem because I made it a little bit too long. I have to sew the sleeves and attach them and do a zipper, so hopefully it's not too much longer, but we are going to go ahead. This is the aftermath of my rush. Yes, the sewing room is pretty trashed, but I finished the dress. It is now Sunday, and as you can see, we had a good night. Some various drink stains, not from myself, so hopefully that washes out, and then I can try it on for you and show you what it looks like. But not bad for, I think It took me 10 hours. I sewed on the last button here at 2:59 and I left the house at 3:30. Okay, so this is the dress. I didn't want to come in here because there's a lot of shit going on. I basically put a blanket on the bed to hide all of my crap. But yeah, this is what the dress looks like. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Love it. I did tweak a couple of things, so obviously we made it longer. I put some buttons here, which are like, oops, excuse my feet, fabulous. The back, funny story, the original zipper I got actually was way too short, so I just basically cut it completely off and put some ties there instead, which I think turned out really nicely. But yeah, I got a lot of compliments. People could not believe that I made this, so we win. Excuse the mess. Now, I want to be completely honest with you too. This is probably one of the worst quality things I have ever made. But you wouldn't know from the outside. And that's what happens when you rush. So the outside looks beautiful. The inside, we skipped some steps. So I mean, like, you know, this looks really great. Really nice. The back is questionable. So we've got raw edges. Folded seams. You still got, like, what the frick is this? Oh my goodness. I just want to show you that it's possible. Like, we've got basting stitch from the construction, seams uneven, nothing is finished, like everything is folded over. This part is a disaster because it was not cut straight, but when I was cutting the angle out on the back, I knew that it was going to stretch unless I put some tape in, so I put some cotton tape here so that it wouldn't fold. But of course you can see that on the inside. And you can see here that this is really wobbly, but that's because it's just not sewn very well. Here, the only way I could get those straps to stay was to actually sew it into the armhole seam, which is what I've done there. Because otherwise it was really floppy, so I just stitched onto the seam allowance and then top stitched it to the back here. Like, this is honestly pretty poor, but I mean in the moment you couldn't see it, so that's that. Definitely not great, but like the finishing of the zipper is pretty atrocious. So this here is the skirt, and I've kind of shot myself in the foot because once I've finished all of this, you can't really just go back and then like overlock it. Not only that, my overlock is still out of order. So I'm thinking I might have to like bind it or something. That will be another episode because this video has gone way too long anyway. You've got unclipped threads. Oh my goodness. I just want to show you that sometimes, you know, it might look amazing on the outside, but on the inside, it's not very pretty. So as I mentioned before, when I panic bought everything, hello, please focus. There we go. The zipper I bought, I didn't think about it. It was supposed to go the whole way up the top, but of course, because I made the skirt longer, the zipper had to start lower, which meant I didn't have anything the right color to go all the way at the back, because the original design was supposed to just go straight up. So I cut this V into it and then added the really, really long straps to just tie it at the neck. And honestly, I'm kind of glad I did because I think it looks better. But yeah, we are all done. One of my favorite things is for sure these buttons. And I know at the start I said, I don't think I want to sew buttons. I can't be bothered. But they're not even like that functional. They just look great. So happy I did that. Yeah. And this is me now sitting on the floor of my very messy sewing room with a lot of junk. It's not junk, it's good stuff, but with a lot of stuff here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like it and you want to see how I can fix the inside of that to make it last a little longer, let me know. I'd be happy to do a video for you. Show you some different tips and tricks. But yeah, let me know what you thought, and if you could please subscribe, that would mean the world to me. I will see you next time. Bye!